What's up, my loves and fellow creatives? You've been asking for it, and here it is, screen printing. When you ask me about screen printing, you might be thinking about you have to have some totally expensive equipment, a big old warehouse space, and maybe even a lot of mess because you're thinking of ink, screens, dark rooms, etc. What if I told you you could do screen printing right with your same heat press that you have for your garment decoration business, and you could do it with about 40 cents per transfer? Yes, that's right. We're going to talk about screen print transfers today. And this is just an example of how you can really add to your current business. So I want to give some examples here and just give you a little comparison. So some of you may be into sublimation. So sublimation is where we have a polyester light or white garment, and then we have the image embedded into this fiber so you don't feel it, it never crack, peels, or fades, and it lasts a lifetime. Then also you may have also heard of DTF, which is direct to film. So direct to film is going to allow you to apply a transfer onto just about anything. I'm talking about fabric, even books and hard substrates will allow you to apply the DTF. So these are usually processes for small runs or even very small bulk orders. When you're talking about big orders, hundreds of shirts at a time, most of those are done with screen printing. Now, yes, most of those are done on a big press that uses ink and burn screens, but you don't have to worry about that at your home. You can literally bring this same technology to your current business. So with this, it's a screen printed transfer, and instead of them screen printing directly onto the garment, they screen print it in reverse and they put it on a transfer paper so you can use it at a later time. And these are great for doing on-demand printing, as well as those pesky jobs where you do 40 or 50 shirts and they come back and they say they need only 5 more. No more vinyl, no more weeding. You're going to use your screen prints instead, and you're going to be able to target businesses, schools, organizations, and more. This is going to be a great ticket item to add to your current offering. If this video was helpful to you, make sure that you share it with a fellow creative, and both of y'all like and subscribe.